Hello my friends, I'm Clark Kent. Today, PDR collision repair, better known as a hybrid repair. Oh wow, that's one crazy collision. That might be frame damage. This is a Nissan Frontier. I am fixing the dent and bumper today. YouTube is changing lives all around the world. I want to share my method of repairing PDR collision. If you're intermediate level wanting to advance to the next level, this will be a great visual experience for you. I'm going to get this PDR collision hybrid repair from looking like this to this. Straight away, this dent covers the entire section, 2 feet top to bottom with broken paint. I'm going to start by speed wiping this collision repair. Next, I'm preparing the panel with heat for some massive PDR glue pulls. I'm placing the Kiko Super eye-bolt tabs just under the crown. Additional tabs will be needed along with some collision strips for some pressure pulls. Oh wow, what the heck just happened? Time to restore this body contour with the Paintless dent removal bridge. The puller legs and the hook is in place for some monster big pulls. 4 major pressure tension pulls taking place. Whoa, 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 let's rewind that. Let's take a closer look. Now into the 5th big pull. The single puller leg is in place. Notice from the collision impact, it broke all the welds behind the light. That will need to be welded and touched up. I'm going after the crease with some traditional PDR rods. The panel wants to oil can on me. However, I'm using some metal shrinking techniques with my tools. The overall shape of the panel is looking good. Going in for some cleanup work. Back and forth. Backside and front side on this Frontier truck. We just finished the dent. Now we're segueing into the bumper. I'm about to show you a crazy simple fix. Stage 2 of this hybrid PDR collision repair. Rolling the jack in place with 2x4 sized and cut. The wood helps for a softer, cleaner push. The blocks also give additional height that is needed. It's like magic, using the weight of the truck to bend all that bent structure simultaneously back into place. No replacing of parts, no additional labor. The additional labor would have added additional 2 to 3 hours to the repair. This bent bumper took less than 5 minutes at my PDR body shop. Thank you for coming along on this PDR collision repair. If you enjoyed the tips, tricks of the trade, it would be great to get a thumbs up. You're wanting my next training video? Hit the sub and notification button. You continue forging your future. See you in the next video.